This lampshade I used when my daughter's baptismal last 5 years ago. I use it as an accent only. That was 5 years ago, and now it's too dirty, and I have to re-update this lampshade to be functional. So I have to dismantle everything. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host, Abilino Molina. For today's video, we are going to re-update to give function to this beautiful antique, at least antique lampshade to be now functional. So stay tuned and watch out and learn something new. So these tassels was already 13. I have to remove this one, this tassel fabric. I remove everything attached on this frame. This one is a paper twine, so I have to remove everything before I go into clean it. Now let's start about to clean the frame of the lampshades. Let's give at least a little bit clean before we start to paint it. To my channel members, thank you so much for tuning in, and also to newcomers, thank you so much. To silent viewers, organic viewers, thank you so much. If you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to give me a big likes, share, and also subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that we will notify you whenever we have a new videos like this. So please subscribe and hit the notification bells. Thank you. Let's give a simple paint to this metal frame. I use a white paint for this project. If you have an old furnitures, why not give them a new looks? They update, repaint, and do something to at least become more functional and more newly looks that keeps brighten up your home place. Shade cover online shopping. It's about $3 to $10. It depends on the materials. So why not re-update instead of buying a new one? If you have materials and you have skills, so why not do it yourself so that you become a very fruitful and resourceful one. So why not do something and give the best shots? Reminders, if you don't have knowledge about electricity, don't do this. Just seek for the help of the professional electricians for safety. Now I'm trying back to reassemble the electricity from the plug to the socket, and let's start to reassemble this frame. Again, please, reminders, don't do this without knowledge on electricity, for your safety first. This adhesive wallpaper was left over from my previous project. I start to estimate how much wallpaper to be used. So I have to estimate this metal frame so that I can cut, reduce to a specific size, the one to be used in this project. And after fitting the wallpaper to the metal frame, I'll use glue gun, glue hot stick to adhere these wallpapers to the metal frame, so it become very sturdy. This part of project is very struggle, but sooner or later it become easier. But at least slowly by slowly you can do it. We can make it to the proper sticking of this wallpaper. It's almost done. I made 2 lampshade for this project.
Few moments later.
Here's our finished project, our lampshade. Hope you guys will like it. Is it beautiful, elegant, but simple to make it? I know you guys can do this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new about this video. And don't forget to give me a big likes, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells. See you on our next videos. Thank you so much. Keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.